रोज बात करते हैं कि हमारी $5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी हो जाएगी, जल्द हो जाएगी, अब 2024 में हो जाएगी। अब तो उन्होंने कहा कि 2027 तक नहीं होगी। बट 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी का मतलब क्या है? ये एक गुमराह किया जा रहा है। सर, a $5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी is going to happen in this country in any case. Don't laugh. It's a serious issue. Don't laugh at it. It's a serious issue. This country has been growing at 6.3%, 6.7%, and it will continue to grow. आज के दिन चैट जीपीटी, आज के दिन DeepSeek is a new technological revolution that is taking place in the world. उसमें हम कहाँ हैं? आपको हेल्थ सेक्टर में आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट ज्यादा करनी चाहिए। क्यों? क्योंकि जब तक बच्चा जो है शिक्षित नहीं होगा, उसका स्वास्थ्य ठीक नहीं होगा, वो कभी अपने आप को एम्पावर कर ही नहीं सकता। अब इस देश में सबसे बड़ी चुनौती, जो मेरे हिसाब से, मैं गलत भी हो सकता हूं, इस देश से सबसे बड़ी चुनौती वो है कि हमें अपने बच्चों को शिक्षित करना है। जब तक शिक्षित बच्चे मेन स्ट्रीम में नहीं आएंगे और उनको क्वालिटी एजुकेशन नहीं मिलेगी, तब तक भारत कभी विकसित हो ही नहीं सकता। विकसित भारत का मतलब शिक्षित भारत। अब मैं आंकड़ों में नहीं जाऊंगा, लेकिन इतना जरूर कहूंगा कि इस बजट में उन्होंने 7% बढ़ोतरी की है एजुकेशन सेक्टर में। अब हिंदुस्तान की व्यवस्था आप देखो कि लगभग बच्चे, युवा सब देहात में रहते हैं, और जो भी एजुकेशन की समस्या है, कुछ अर्बन सेंटर्स में तो अच्छी समस्या है, बट आम जनता को एजुकेशन क्वालिटी मिलती ही नहीं। आपको मालूम है कि असर रिपोर्ट का ये रहा, उन्होंने कहा कि भाई जो 5वीं के बच्चे हैं वो दूसरी क्लास के सबक नहीं पढ़ सकते, मैथ्स नहीं कर सकते। दूसरी बात कि 21वीं सदी में जो स्किल्स हमें चाहिए वो 20वीं सदी में नहीं थी। आज के दिन चैट जीपीटी, आज के दिन DeepSeek is a new technological revolution that is taking place in the world. उसमें हम कहाँ हैं? What plans do we have for the future? We expected the finance minister to tell us. What do we intend to do to deal with these challenges? We can't afford to apply AI to our systems, because if we do, we will lose the jobs that we already have. अब चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बैठ के अपनी देखता था कि अकाउंट बुक में क्या है, वो तो AI से हो जाएगा। हमारे लॉ क्लर्क्स रिसर्च करते थे कि ये जजमेंट्स क्या हैं, वो सब AI से हो जाएंगे। और जो सॉफ्टवेयर टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट थे, उनके कई सॉल्यूशंस AI से निकल आएंगे। एंड द रिजल्ट विल बी दैट वेयर वी हैव जॉब्स, वी विल लूज जॉब्स। बट एट द सेम टाइम वी नीड AI because we can't be competitive in the world. So what's the vision of this government with AI? All that the finance minister said was that we are going to set up 100 centers of artificial intelligence. आपको हेल्थ सेक्टर में आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट ज्यादा करनी चाहिए। क्यों? क्योंकि जब तक बच्चा जो है शिक्षित नहीं होगा, उसका स्वास्थ्य ठीक नहीं होगा, वो कभी अपने आप को एम्पावर कर ही नहीं सकता। अब इसमें मैं आपको थोड़े से आंकड़े बताना चाहता हूं। The fact of the matter is that 38% of children in this country that are born are stunted. 21% of the children born in this country are wasted. And 53% of the women in this country are anemic. How will you get children who you will empower if the health sector is not if you do not invest in the health sector? And there's a 9% increase in the budget in the health sector. And that also because they want to create 10,000 new medical seats. That's not the solution to India's problem. The two biggest challenges facing this country are education and health. And हम रोज बात करते हैं कि हमारी $5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी हो जाएगी, जल्द हो जाएगी, अब 2024 में हो जाएगी, अब तो उन्होंने कहा कि 2027 तक नहीं होगी। बट 5 ट्रिलियन डॉलर का मतलब क्या है? ये एक गुमराह किया जा रहा है। सर, a $5 trillion economy is going to happen in this country in any case. And I will show the finance minister that even if she does nothing, this country will grow at 6%. It will grow at 6%, even if she's done nothing. Don't laugh. It's a serious issue. I don't laugh at it. It's a serious issue. This country has been growing at 6.3%, 6.7%, and it will continue to grow. But what we need is a growth rate of 8%. What we need is double-digit growth. What is the vision of this government to attain double-digit growth and attain 8% growth? And I'll tell you why I'm saying this. I may be wrong. I'm only here to have a discussion. I may be wrong, sir, but the fact of the matter is, if you look at the economies, look at the BRICS economies, our per capita income is $2,540 is our per capita income. If we compare it to the BRICS economies, Russia's per capita income is $14,000. China's per capita income is $13,000. Brazil's per capita income is $11,000. South Africa's per capita income is $5,970. And we are $2,940. And we will be a $5 trillion economy. What's the point of these numbers? That's why I was saying that with the growth of 6%, you will reach there, and you will reach there in 2027. I'll congratulate the finance minister. But how do you empower the young? How do you make per capita income in this country $14,000, $13,000, $10,000? You have no vision for it. That's really the point that needs to be looked at and discussed on the floor of this house. How do you become innovative? You only become innovative if you put money into R&D. The money that is put into R&D in US is $650 billion a year. In China, it's $500 billion a year. And what is it in India? $50 billion a year. Unless you invest in R&D, you won't create. So I just want to give you an example. Take this mobile phone. Now, this mobile phone, actually the hardware is in somebody else's hands, it's Europeans' hands. The software solutions are produced by us. Now, the software is sold to the owners of hardware. So that software ownership goes to the hardware company. And then that company allows you to use the phone and charges you for the software. That's what it is. They give you a license fee. All right, you're using my phone, you pay this much. This is what is happening. Sir, I was Minister for Telecom. I asked the telecom industry, what is it in the telecom sector that you manufacture? Nothing. They're service provider. They don't manufacture anything. Your routers, everything is manufactured from abroad. How are you going to become competitive? What's the vision of this government? What's the vision of this government in the finance bill, in this budget, as to how we'll compete with the rest of the world?